taken my trainers off, so it's official. Hey you, we're starting the video. Make sure you ring the notification bell. Sorry, we're already cracking up because we've just been catching up. I have not seen Lily and Jocelyn for too long.
I thought you were going to say 2 years. I was like, it hasn't been that long.
It has not been that long. It's not been that long.
But it has been too long.
But it has been too long, so I'm so excited that we're gonna hang out today and make Instagram-worthy acai bowls.
Fingers crossed.
I was like, well, you do know who you invited.
Well, you two can kind of take the blame if this backfires.
Gladly.
It happens a lot. So, are you an experienced acai bowl maker?
But this is something I do slightly regularly.
Regularly.
I think I've maybe had a bite of one once.
What? I don't understand how that's possible. But they're so yummy. It's like the
my
best
historian.
way to insert nutrients in the most delicious, pretty way.
It's perfect.
100.
It's like when you trick kids and you put vegetables and things you don't
Basically.
notice. That'll be for me.
It's like
Yeah.
healthy ice cream, more or less.
Basically,
Right?
yeah, I'll go with that. So, if you don't know these two babes, shall we like give them a little bit of an intro?
Recently launched a company and 2 YouTube channels, and the channel that we share is called Shared Channel. It's very creative.
And it's off the wall. Like,
Yeah, I was like,
you're
get
not
ready
gonna
for
be
what we are
bored.
about to film with Iskra in a couple days because she's excited.
Terrified is the word. You definitely push me out my comfort zone because I'm here like, let's make acai bowls. And then they're like, I'm gonna torture you.
Iskra, welcome to YouTube, like officially.
yeah.
This is so necessary. I'm
know.
so
This is your
excited.
hazing.
It's my hazing. Again, terrifying. We're gonna get to blending right now.
Blending what? Like, what is acai?
It's
Okay.
a fruit.
Is that a dumb question?
It is a fruit and it's very rich in antioxidants.
You don't know, do you?
And, no, I do. And it generally you've got to freeze it, so then it
Oh.
gives it like the.
Still haven't heard what it is.
It's a fruit,
Okay.
and it's perfect for blending. And I'm gonna put some bananas in it to give it some
Texture?
texture and
Yeah.
smoothness.
Yes.
So,
So that's like the base is gonna be.
yeah, the acai and the banana.
And then you decorate
Some
it.
people add peanut butter, but I hate peanut butter.
Oh, I'll eat all of it. I love nut butter.
Really? Do you want to put like almond butter in yours?
Yes, I like a good little drizz on top of some nut butter.
Yeah. I wanted Nutella, but we're in LA, so we got dairy free. I
Didn't
don't
know that existed.
I didn't know it existed as well, so here we go.
So where is the acai?
Yeah, I'm just so curious to see what an acai looks like.
I don't know, do we do one of those fun edits where it just suddenly is in our hand? Ta-da! I hope you didn't tear up over that. We got,
And-
of course, the ground flaxseed.
Oh, this, I thought it was bacon bits.
Of
Very
course.
ground up. I was like,
You thought it was bacon?
I mean, it looks like it's
It's
ground
not
up.
a Lunchable.
It's not a Lunchable.
I would not do that to you, but I might have something I might put in later. So is this your first time seeing a raw acai
Yeah, I'm
situation?
so curious. It's like, show me.
Oh, I think I'm
Lovely.
gonna pull out like
No, I want to see what it actually looks like.
So it's really hot today, so they're already a little bit mushy.
They come off the tree like this?
Yep.
Definitely.
Straight from the
Packaged and
Amazon.
ready to go. I'm gonna cut these open. Let's do 3. So you can see it's already very runny. Oh! If you could have
That
heard
sounded
that
amazing.
sound
That
effect.
sounded really appetizing. Yeah.
Actually, this is where you do SMR. Is that how you say it?
ASMR.
You
Yeah.
should just like
ASMR.
have another microphone do like 2 videos
Yeah.
at once.
Wait, that's not meant to happen. Wait, take that out first. Danny,
The lid is inside.
I didn't see it. Whoops. Here, put it.
Okay.
For such a small bag, it really is hard to get all of it out.
Oh my goodness.
I know that I won't drop it, but I just need to know what they actually look like. Are they small? Does anyone in this room
I
know?
think they're like papayas.
Are they? Are they that big?
I don't know. I just made
Because
it
like
up.
I feel like the packaging kind of makes it look like maybe it's like a grape. But
Yeah,
like,
to me, I thought
how
it was
many
a
went
berry.
into this one package?
No, they are tiny, like pomegranate.
It said that they.
I'm gonna throw some bananas in. How many do you think we should do? Because this is way more
You know,
liquefied
on
than
the taste that I
Probably
just licked off
three-
my
or three
hand.
of us?
A few.
3.
that too many?
We're doing 3 bananas,
One
everyone.
for each of us.
Can't have too many bananas.
Did you know that you're actually supposed to open them the other one?
I did hear
heard
that.
that.
Just throw it in.
Sure.
I'm sure you're all salivating at home over our creation. Now,
bet.
please, dear God. Oh, okay, we're going.
Stop awesome blender dip.
Nice.
It looks like a nice thickness.
All of the
bubbled a little
ASMR
bit.
people have gone down.
Yes.
This is already going very well.
I mean, better than
I mean,
it usually goes with us.
You feel good about it?
give
So
us
great.
a food show. We're experts.
Basically. Okay, I'm rolling my sleeves up because we know that the challenge. Ouch, that just nearly ripped my nipple off. I'm wearing a sticky bra, but
Oh,
it's
that'll
like
do it.
sticking
Yes.
sticking in some areas, clearly like and
Not in
not in
others.
others. The challenge of today is making the most Instagrammable
Yes.
bowl. Ooh, lovely.
See, I'm actually just really upset because it looks like pudding.
Lily,
It looks like
loves-
And
chocolate
I
pudding.
love
Oh,
pudding.
you do?
Yeah, that would be like what I would be making.
Can you
right
make
now.
pudding at home?
You can. You add water and that's it.
pudding mix.
I've never had pudding.
It's very
You've
good.
never had pudding.
Iskra, come on over.
I'm
I'll
not
give you
from
all the
America.
pudding. Do they not have
I
pudding
feel like
in?
pudding, like figgy pudding, is like definitely.
That's like not even real pudding.
Tea pudding?
Figgy pudding, you know, from the song. Figgy pudding. Now bring me some figgy
No one
pudding.
eats figgy pudding. but-
Figgy pudding is like a cake, like
Yeah,
a sponge
it's like a bread
cake.
pudding.
But your pudding is like
It's like that.
this.
And it's delicious.
Oh,
Look,
we're gonna get
can
you
I just say no splash?
You killed that.
Who's up first? And I know how they usually do it on the gram, where it's like in nice sections. But I mean, we can go crazy. We can make it
I
artistic.
was like, I don't know. How do they do it?
Don't. Where have you been?
Well, then you should just go first.
You should go first.
You
'cause
have-
I can't-
No, experts. I think you should set the tone.
No, I definitely think you should go
you should do it.
first.
You guys are just trying to set me up for failure so you win.
No, yeah, that's also true.
Okay, well, this is gonna go really well.
The ground
Ground
flaxseed.
flax.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's really, really full of the omega oils. Really good for joints, and it's really good for the digestive system as well. But it's a
also
nice
good for
little.
your
It'll make you
skin.
poop.
Good
I was
for your
gonna say
skin.
omega-3s, that's
Good for
usually
your
in
glow.
Yeah,
a lot
so
of
that's
skin
a
stuff.
really good one. You can just add it to your acai bowls, your smoothies, throw it into your porridge. Sorry, I have to
I
stay
love a
true
good
to my
porridge.
roots. This is the bears and Goldilocks.
That's literally
I
all
know.
I think of.
That's what everyone always thinks of. Honestly, I remember moving to America and trying to order porridge at McDonald's,
People start laughing.
and the guy was just like,
I've never heard of that.
I would think that there's a decent amount of people, especially now, that would have absolutely no
no
idea.
idea. I mean, most people don't understand when I say, can I have a bottle of water? And they're just like, huh?
Excuse me?
And I end up just having to go, water. And they're like,
Oh my Valley girl.
yeah.
That looks good.
That looks great. A little sprinkle.
I'm trying to like gauge your guys. I'm like, how much do I put on?
The chia seeds actually they're a good source of fiber and protein and omegas.
They all just are gonna make you poop.
Yeah.
Which is important.
Pooping is important.
It is. And what were
So,
these?
Those are hemp.
those are hemp. The 3 omegas.
Oh, great.
That's our new. That's our group name.
That could be.
10 grams of protein per serving.
What is a serving?
3 tablespoons. Oh, that's in 10.
That's a lot.
That
That's
sounds
too
I
much.
think
That
you'll
sounds a little
compromise. You'll compromise the acai bowl.
You
if
don't
we-
want to compromise
Okay.
the integrity.
Yeah, no.
So-
I'm just like getting. This is my just dipping my toe in, so
Yeah.
we don't want to get
But
too
vitamins
crazy.
and minerals and
Vitamins.
I love that so much. It's my favorite.
I just
Really?
wish. Yeah, it's so fun.
well, this is what I was thinking. Like, this is why I wanted to do food on my channel, because for a long time I didn't talk about food or like the things that I enjoy doing, and I was like, why am I not sharing this? And as someone who's like gone through an eating disorder and was once like in fear of the calories in food, and it was all about that, to be like, actually, this is how you fall in love with food. You
Through
can do it with
experience,
friends
it's fun.
and experience, and then like
Trial and error.
trial and
Exactly.
error, and then like this is super nourishing and it's fun to do. Yeah, which fruit do you like?
Like,
Oh, you have a nice face.
Perfect, lovely.
They float a little on the seats.
We're floating. We've got floaters. Sorry. We're off to a great start.
Well, you are really like
Lovely.
going for it with those apples. Put some strawberries.
That's not that bad.
I
don't know.
I like it.
I love fruit, so I want to have some fruit in every bite. You know what, you guys?
It looks good, Lily. It really does.
Yeah.
I don't really like nuts.
Are you
So I'm gonna
sure?
skip that.
Are you sure? Are you
Walnuts,
sure?
almonds.
Pretty sure.
Just one sliver.
What? Why?
Just
why not?
one in the middle.
Just as
surprise
like
yourself.
it's like the cherry on top.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's like a little flag on top.
Huge
Perfect.
difference.
Instagram's gonna love that. And add a little more color around the perimeter.
See, you've
This
actually
is art.
inspired me, because I was gonna do something different, but now I'm
You're
like,
like, now I see how bad yours looks, and I'm
No.
gonna do something very different.
No, I think this is interesting because she's never seen what one is supposed to look
That's
like.
what I'm
I've seen
loving.
one before. I just
Okay.
haven't seen an actual acai, the fruit.
No one has.
Oh, that's true.
No one has.
Lovely.
Oh my gosh.
It's got the angles.
I want this to be very Instagram worthy.
Oh, no.
Let's look at your face. What a lovely
Fine,
face.
it's your bowl, but okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Those are some nice, like,
Eyes?
eyes. Oh, hold
Oh,
on.
their eyes? I thought that was my hair.
Your nose, let's see.
Oh, this
A
is
nice,
gonna
like,
be
berry
hard.
moment, perhaps. Already, this is going
lenses?
so well. I'm gonna do a side by side on Instagram, like, which one is Iskra?
Oh, okay.
No one knows.
What are those for?
Your sweet smile.
Oh.
Do you know what?
Sorry, just that.
So you're like blonde, so I'm gonna do a mixture of hemp and coconut.
Ooh. Wow.
Let's
It's
hear-
funny because I know I'm smiling, but I also look like I'm grimacing. Oh.
Oh,
You recently, yeah, you got highlights recently for
I've
summer.
got bangs.
Oh gosh, I just want all of these
Oh, I
things.
forgot about the fake Nutella.
You have on a nice little necklace. We'll give you
See?
a little almond shaving situation.
I didn't forget about the fake Nutella.
That looks like a goatee at this
You
point.
just look so offended.
That's your necklace.
As if it had been going really well up until now.
Right.
And then I don't really know how this works. Like a nice little drizzle of almond butter.
You keep saying a drizz. Like, how do you drizzle?
I feel like I don't know actually.
Actually, almond butter
I would
is
love-
a tricky one. You really have to give it a good
Oh, okay,
churn,
well,
or else you're just gonna get the
there's a lot
oil
of
on the top.
Yeah.
Well, you know, we might just have to go with like
A blob,
just
small.
like a nice little blush moment
Not
happening.
what I thought drizzle meant, but close.
But it's like literally perfect.
What were the cheek additions that you had?
Blush, it's a blush.
Got it.
Now, if this came alive, I would be terrified.
Twins! You didn't tell us you had a sister?
You look scared. Like
I look
like,
terrified.
your turn. I can't wait to see what you do.
Are you gonna do like a design?
I was trying to.
Oh my gosh, are you gonna do one of those cool circle things?
I think I might be.
Oh my gosh, you've
think
never
I'm
even
circle
seen one of
things.
these. It's beautiful.
Now I'm gonna fill my beautiful heart with the coconut, like so.
Do you guys both like coconut?
Love coconut.
I feel like coconut used to be something that like was like everyone kind of agreed it wasn't good, and now
Really?
I feel
I
like
love
that is not the case anymore. Kind of reminds me of like the taste of sunscreen.
Have you eaten a lot of sunscreen?
It reminds me of
Non-intentional.
holiday.
Okay, speaking of holiday, wasn't it you who's like from the town from the holiday?
It's
that
not.
you?
I would love that.
Did I just make that up?
You definitely did. I've now got coconut.
Oh my
It
God.
was
Like, I definitely would have remembered that.
We can perpetuate that lie. It's fine. Ooh, what does it smell like?
not Nutella.
It's kind of like, you know, like a flourless chocolate cake.
Yes.
Like it's like so chocolate.
Okay. I was trying to outline the heart with this, but
Oh, who are you? You're. This is fancy.
You don't.
Oh no!
Oh,
I've got some bowl contact. I've got bowl contact.
This is like one of those things I can just watch in silence.
Do you want to do
You
that?
should do it.
I don't know if it would make for a great video.
not.
Some almonds. The blueberries are here. Actually, I want to go around the outside.
I didn't know that this was the route we were supposed to go.
Really?
That's why you made me go first.
We must have told you like 6 times.
This would be so fun to do if you like hosted a brunch or something and just have like everybody
That's
do
what
their
I'm
own bowl.
saying.
Well, because it looks like it required a lot of effort, but it's actually really easy.
It's fun too. It's actually something you could easily do with kids as well to like
Oh, so
get
smart.
them into eating like
Trick them.
nutritious foods.
Exactly.
That's literally you're talking about me.
You've started incorporating like more vegetables though, right?
Sure.
Like potatoes. Are those vegetables?
Potatoes?
Those have always
In
been
Ireland,
heavily
actually,
incorporated.
in Ireland, they actually are definitely classed as potatoes. It's definitely going under, like the Titanic, though.
Okay, yours
This is
looks
so
really
fancy.
pretty.
Yay! Oh bugger. Maybe one of you can do a heart next to it.
That's really what she meant. But
It is. I love it.
So yeah, I feel really good.
I just don't want to get
oh,
you
why? Because it doesn't look like a heart. Strange.
the table. People.
You can always zoom in and totally crop out my arms.
So I'm gonna go and get something.
Wait, what's going on?
2 more mystery ingredients.
It is fruit.
That you've got to add to your
Cheetos.
bowls. Flaming hot Funyuns and flaming hot Cheetos.
We've had a lot of strange food combinations in our life, and some are surprising, so maybe it could be good.
I feel like this is a good chip and dip moment.
I feel like it's like
Oh,
a nice, maybe like a little
wow.
appetizer
I
situation.
think I'm
You're
gonna
really
take a
gonna
little
do it?
Funyun. Oh, of course.
I think I'm gonna stick to this.
See, only you two could. Oh my goodness.
And
I mean, make
we're-
like it's like a flotation device.
okay.
Here we go.
Oh my god, the sound.
Their chia seeds are crunchy.
Oh my god, I can't believe you both did that. Nutella spoon.
Woo! It's like a weird spicy aftertaste.
It's actually a little bit warm. You have goose. I hope you enjoyed watching us be ridiculous.
Oh my
and comment
God.
below if you want to ever see us making anything again. So yes, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching, and yeah, we're gonna keep eating our interesting.
Without the
Sable.
Cheetos and the Funyuns this time.
It's like a soup.
It's good with that.
Bye.